Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are crocheting a cute bookmark. All the required items are mentioned in the description box below. So let's get started. First make a slip knot and then chain 11. Here 11 chain is done. Now we will make a double crochet from the 5th chain. Count backward, and from the 5th chain you have to make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over, put the hook into the chain, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. This is your first double crochet. Now chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet into the next. You have to repeat this pattern till the end, that is chain 1, skip 1 chain and double crochet into next. Here round 1 is ready. Now for round 2, chain 3 and turn your project. Now you have to skip 1 stitch and double crochet into next. The previous round on which we have made double crochet, on that only we will make another double crochet, as you can see it in the video. Again chain 1, skip 1 stitch, you will get another double crochet onto the top of the double crochet from previous round. This way you have to complete the second round as well. At the end of round second, here we have chain 3 at the base of the first round. So into the second chain we will make a double crochet. See, here are 3 chains at the end. Count from the top, you will get the second chain, and you have to make a double crochet into the second chain only. Round 2 is completed. Chain 3 and turn your work. Skip 1 stitch and then make double crochet onto the next stitch. Chain 1 and repeat this till the end, that is skip 1 stitch, double crochet onto the next stitch, then chain 1 and repeat this till the end of the row. At the end, count second chain and make double crochet into that second chain. Here 3 rows are completed. By following the same pattern, you have to make total of 13 rows. Here we have successfully completed the 13 rows. Now just making the last double crochet into the second chain, and after this we will give a finishing touch of the boundary to this mesh bookmark. For this you have to just chain 1, and now you have to make 2 single crochet into each square. As you can see it in the video, I am making 2 single crochet into each square, and you have to continue it till the end of the row. We have completed the one row. Now for the next row, which is boundary, you have to make a single crochet into an square and second single crochet onto the top of double crochet stitch. See, this is double crochet and this is the stitch, and here we will make another single crochet. Again a single crochet into the square, this square space, and then second single crochet onto the top of double crochet stitch, and follow the same pattern till the end of the row. We have completed one side boundary. Now for next side, repeat the same pattern, that is 2 single crochet into each square, and for the next side you have to make one single crochet into the square and then another single crochet onto the top of double crochet stitch. Here all four side boundary is finished. Now to end it, we will just slip stitch into the first single crochet and then chain one and cut the yarn and then weave in all the ends. Here your cute mesh crochet bookmark is ready. That's all for today's video. If you like the tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.